It's me, Rachel, and today I'm bringing you guys another video on my channel. Today I'm going to be showing you guys my makeup collection. I have been collecting makeup since I was probably in 7th grade. I don't really remember what the age group that is, maybe 12, 13 years old, I don't really know. But if you guys are new to this channel, then hit that subscribe button down below, and if you guys are returning here, then hey guys, it's nice to see you guys again. And without further ado, if you guys would like to see this video, then keep on watching. So first, what I'm going to be showing you guys is my little drawer unit right here, and this is basically where I put all of my everyday essentials, and then obviously lipsticks on the top. So on this little rack right here, I just have a bunch of lipsticks, lip glosses, like chapstick, lip liners, anything with lips, also with the exception of concealers, because I don't have room to fit them in the drawer down here. So right here I just have my Tarte Shape Tape concealers right here, and then I also have like a L'Oreal Glow Lotion for my face. And right around here, these are all 3 of my Clinique lipsticks. I either got them in like a big box of samples. Here I just have my NYX Butter Gloss, and I also have the NYX Soft Matte Lip Cream, and they're all lining up right here. I basically just use them for the people in prom, so that's probably why I have a really big collection of lipsticks, because everybody is completely different. I have my Rimmel London lipstick right here, and I actually never used this before. I think it is completely gorgeous, but I don't think I am the really lipstick kind of person, so these are mainly for people that I'm going to be doing makeup with. I also have some Revlon lipsticks here, and it's just gorgeous. And these are from the little like samples I got. Right here is where I put my clear slime, and I actually got this from a friend, and I don't know, I think it's really satisfying just to poke it around. I also have baby lips from a really long time ago, which I probably should be throwing out. In here I just have another Clinique lipstick right there. Back here I have my NYX like Shine Lip Gloss. I have my little lip liners right here, so they're from NYX, and then the Kylie Cosmetics. I also have my Kylie Lip Kit lipsticks right here, so I just like to keep them there even though I don't really use them. But that's basically what I have in my top little unit right here, just a bunch of lipsticks and lip glosses. I'm just going to be holding my camera, so I'm sorry if it's really shaky. In this drawer right here, I just have all of my Maybelline Fit Me concealers. Again, I do makeup for people, so that's why I have like basically almost every single shade. I also have a really old hyped up concealer. It doesn't even say the name anymore. I'm pretty sure it's from L'Oreal. It's so old, oh my gosh. And I also have some eyelid primer from e.l.f. And then in this drawer, I just kind of have like stuff that just fit in here. So I have both of the Maybelline concealers right here that I used really long time ago when they were very hyped up, and to be honest, they don't really work for me. I also have the Instant Age Rewind concealer from Maybelline, and then I also have like samples of mascaras in here. I also have a NYX brow kind of gel in there, so kind of just stuff that can like fit in those little drawers. And here is where I keep all of my mascara and just like one like eyelash glue. That's kind of random and it shouldn't be in there. So I just have like the L'Oreal Telescopic. That is my favorite, absolute favorite mascara ever. It makes my eyelashes look so long. And then I also have the Voluminous Lash Paradise from L'Oreal. This is my favorite mascara ever. I just haven't like bought it in a while. I love it in the waterproof formula. I think it is so great. And then I tried the L'Oreal Voluminous Carbon Black when it was extremely hyped up, but it's not really my favorite. I also have the L'Oreal Butterfly Mascara. This was just from my $20 makeup challenge video, so it's just from Wet n Wild. It was only like $1, a little bit more than $1.50. Then I have the Maybelline Falsies, and I just have the Maybelline Brow Drama. And here I just have another mascara, which shouldn't be in there. This is the Great Lash. I got it for Christmas. So in here is where I put all of my eyeliners, my glitter liners, my eyebrow pencils, like eyeshadow stuff, like eye pencils, like you name it all. Like everything that is like in a pencil form fits in here except this mascara, which should not be in there, but I think I'm just gonna leave it in there because I can't fit anymore. So I have obviously my Anastasia Brow Wiz, or the brow definer. In here I have a whole bunch of eyeliners. So this one is just from Maybelline. I have this kind of like glittery pencil from Revlon, which is what I use for prom. Even more Wet n Wild. That is a really good like eyeliner, not mascara. Some more, and this one is just from L'Oreal eyeliner. More Maybelline eyeliners. I also have like some drugstore eyebrow pencils. I think it is great. I also have the Tarte eyeliner, and it is a duo, so it has a felted tip, and it also has like a regular like liner that you can use in your waterline. I also have this, which was for like Halloween, especially with my robot video. Oh my gosh, that was really cringy. I have the NYX Wonder pencil right here. More eyeliners from a little kit. This is something that I just got, and I had it in my inner corner, and I think it is so pretty. It's by Laura Mercier, and I got it in a Vox box, so it is really, really nice. I also have some brown eyeliners here from Ulta. These are so old. In here is where I have my palettes for highlighters and blushes and all that type of stuff. This is just a really old palette. I don't even remember like what's inside of it. So, but I got it from Christmas, and that's just what it looks like right here. Just a little compacted eyeshadow, but I don't really use it, so I should probably get rid of it or give it away. I have the NYX Tame and Fame eyebrow pomade. That was supposed to be like a dupe for the Anastasia pomade, but I don't use it anymore. I also have the Becca Opal highlighter in here. Really, really good highlighter. Really love it. This is an Urban Decay eyeshadow, and I stole it from my mom, so I have to give it back to her, but this is what I have right here. It's a really pretty color. I was using it for prom. I also have some blush by the Baked Blush Pladio, I think that's what it's called. And then I was just trying out the Revlon or Revolution like highlighter. It was really, really glittery. Here, this was just like random. It was for a little YouTube video. I think it was for Coachella. This one is just empty because I still need to put back my old eyeshadow, my old falsies. I have my Ulta blush right here, which should be in here. This is a really, really pretty eyeshadow, and it's gold. I got it from my little Ipsy bag, and I really need to get like one of those like palettes that are magnetic, so that way I can put like my own eyeshadows in there. It is super, super pretty. I also have my lash glues in here and some more highlighters that are in like kind of tubes. So this is a NYX liquid highlighter. Then I got the contour stick along with the highlight stick from Wet n Wild. I have some eyeshadow primer right here, and this one's from Too Faced, and this one is also another highlighter right there. Here is just kind of random. I don't really know what I was going to do with it yet. This was from Coachella, that's what I was doing. And then I also have a Shiseido eyelash curler kind of thing, so that way in case mine breaks. This is from Victoria's Secret. It was from a really, really long time ago, but I like to use this as highlighter and then a little bit like a bronzing highlighter. So I think that was really nice. Some like little pencil sharpener. More blush that should be in there. And then I also have a little pressed powder from when I was in middle school. And then in these, I got a sample of the Urban Decay eyeshadow primer, but I didn't want to throw away the whole package, so I just squeezed them out in this little like Clinique bottle. And this was the Kylie lip kit that I mixed together, but I'm pretty sure it is like completely all dried out, so I need to get rid of that. So that is basically it for my like little apartment right here, where I put all of my daily makeup and also the makeup that can't fit in the Alex drawer, very organized. So now we're gonna move on to the Alex drawer. So up here is where I put my mirror, and then I also have 2 of these little like glass things. This one is actually from a candle and I just cleaned it out, and then this one was from Dollar Tree, and this one is basically where I use all of like my daily ones right here. Obviously I don't use them every single day, but like the ones I basically go to like all the time. Then I have like all of my big brushes here and the brushes that I don't really use that often. I really need to clean these. So some of these I got them for like Christmas, and then I have the Real Techniques brushes right here, Shiseido. This one was also for Christmas. I don't really know where it's from. I think it's from Crown, I want to say, but I don't know. And then I have this really pretty one from Ipsy. So that is it. And then I also have this from like e.l.f. when I was using a contour sticks. So that's basically it. Then this one was from a Bath & Body Works candle, and then it broke because I dropped it on my carpet, and then it kind of made like this little U shape, so I just put all of my beauty blenders in there. So I have the Real Techniques beauty blenders, and I also have like the beauty blenders. Down in here I didn't use all of my Alex drawers for makeup, but they're all beauty products related. So if I open up in this one, this is where all of my curling irons and clips and all that type of stuff is in here, hair accessories. And then down in here is where my makeup starts. And here's where I put all of my primers. So I have like the NYX like face primer where I just spritz it on. This is from e.l.f. and it has salicylic acid in it. So lately I've been going for this a lot more. This one is a illuminating spray to make you a little bit more dewy. I also have like little sample packets right here and there, and then, you know, baby skin poreless. I also have the Too Faced primer right over here, and then of course I had to have the Maybelline Master Prime because that is pretty popular. I was talking about where I had these samples, and then later on I just kind of put them in the little bottles, that way I could reuse them over and over and over again if I decide to. This palette right here is really old, and I also have another palette underneath that's full of the other colors if I can even get into that, but I just have a really big palette, which I've used before in my videos. And I also have a MAC palette right here that just kind of looks like it has like a shimmery color, some kind of nude brown shade for the crease, and also some kind of black eyeshadow or eyeliner that you could use. I have my Rimmel bronzer, and it's really broken and it's old, really old. Bethany Moda recommended it to me back in the day. And I also have my 2 loose powders, and it was the Maybelline Fit Me, and this is also the CoverGirl loose powder. Here's one of those little other like palettes that I just never really use. And here I just have the Clinique Moisture Surge lotion when I forget to put lotion in my bathroom. I also have a little pump, and this thing was from the Dollar Tree, and I just put my toner in there, and that's what I use to clean the people's face when I do their makeup. I also have a Clinique palette right here, and then also a blush palette so that way I can use on other people, and then just some scissors so that way I can cut the lashes. That is basically it for this one. Down here is where it's more of foundation. So I have the whole line of the Wet n Wild foundation down here when I was using them for prom. I also have both of the Maybelline BB cream that I used. Did not know anything about shade because obviously this is not my color. It is way too light, and this one was also way too light, so I just keep that there in case anybody wants to use it. I also have my Maybelline Fit Me's right here. This is my shade, this Wet n Wild palette that I used for my $20 makeup challenge. And then I also have the Pacifica eyeshadow palette that I got from my little Ipsy bag. And then back in here, which is really hard for me to grab, is some foundations I don't really use anymore, or I just keep. So I have the CoverGirl Elixir foundation in there, and I have the L'Oreal True Match. This is also the L'Oreal True Match, but this one is for more dewy. I have a little Benefit kind of dandelion blush, and I've never used it before, but I can't wait to use it and try it out, so I just keep it here so that way whenever I decide to use it I can. This is a little makeup remover in case I mess up. And then back there is another foundation within this line that I can't fit, but oh well. And then here I just have all my lashes. So I have my individual lashes right here. I have wispies, eyelashes. I have some that are just standing out there that I need to put back. Just basically a whole bunch of lashes. Down here is where I keep all of my palettes in my little bags that I don't really use. Here is where I have all of my makeup palettes I use basically on an everyday basis. I kind of switched them all out, so I had like favorites during the time, like I love this during the winter, I love this during like spring, like Valentine's Day, you know, like all that type of stuff when I decide to be creative. So I have all 3 of the Urban Decay Naked palettes. I have the Tarte Clay Play palette, which I have been using so much lately. I just love it. It's so many nudes. I've been using them in all of my videos, as if you guys haven't been watching. I also have the NYX Highlights and Contour palette right here. I just got this in a little box, so it's Be a Light by Becca, and it is gorgeous. I absolutely love it. I did a little review on it on my Instagram channel, but it is absolutely gorgeous, putting them all over your face. It gives like the most natural glow. Down here is where I have all of my X something knives that I use for my crafts, like especially with duct tape. I don't really remember what they are called. I also have the Too Faced chocolate bar, and then another Too Faced like chocolate bar. And obviously I have my Urban Decay palettes. And here is where I keep all of my bags. So whenever I am gonna go travel, I can just pick one of these bags that best suit it. This is a new bag, which I am going to be showing you guys in a video of what I got in my bag. And then I have a little deodorant that I got when they sent it to me along with this. So that just stays in there. And then here is just where I put all of my other like tiny samples of like lotions and deodorant sticks, face mask, and all type of stuff. And this is basically the same exact thing because it couldn't fit. And that is basically it for my little vanity, I guess, makeup collection. So I hope you guys enjoyed this little makeup collection video. If you guys like this video, give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more videos like this. And comment down below some more video suggestions that I should do. And I'll see you guys next time. Bye guys!